Creating these videos about Jamaican traditions and beliefs has been a real learning experience for me, and I am Jamaican. Talking to friends of different ages and backgrounds has allowed me to discover many practices and beliefs outside my immediate experience. So Christmas and Easter traditions were looked at in other videos, as well as customs dealing with birth and death. This video will share Jamaican customs and beliefs that touch other aspects of life. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, the place you come to learn about Jamaica and Jamaicans. If it's your first time joining me here, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button. And do remember to turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon so that you never miss any of my updates. One of our most widespread customs is partner, an established method of saving outside the formal banking system. It works like this. A group of individuals agree that each will save a set amount called a hand at regular intervals, usually weekly or monthly. The money is collected by one member who has been designated as the banker. So say for example, if 8 people throw a hand of 1,000 weekly, over the next 8 weeks the banker will pay 8,000, that's the draw, to one partner each week until every partner has gotten a draw. Now we take a look at cash. You may be wondering why a formal lottery game would be included in Jamaican customs, but cash pot has become an institution among working class Jamaicans since its introduction a few years ago. Cash pot is based on drop pan, a game brought to Jamaica by Chinese immigrants. Tickets numbered 1 to 36 are sold island-wide, now even in the wider Caribbean region. There is a minimum price per ticket, but no maximum. A number is randomly drawn by the operators of the lottery, and the holders of that number win multiples of whatever price they had paid for the ticket. Each number has at least one meaning or mark. Example: lizard is 3, gold is 32. Buyers use these marks as well as guesses, dreams and other signs called rakes to help them decide what number to buy. Many participants believe that the numbers are not randomly chosen but are picked by a Chinaman who is constantly trying to outsmart them.
That's a cash shot line full. Yo, rate me getting a virgin, yo, no give me a beer food, rate me getting a yo. Yeah, you know you buy boat, you can't wrong you. Buy boat. Boat me see.
When a house is newly built, it is customary to have a house blessing performed by a priest or pastor. Prayers are said in all the main rooms of the house. This may be a private event or may include friends who are invited to share a meal. When constructing a building, it is considered unsafe to break ground unless white rum has been poured as a libation to the spirits. Some workmen may also require a rooster to be killed and its blood sprinkled on the site before work begins. If you have a guest in your house who has overstayed their welcome, turn a broom upside down in a corner and the visitor will soon leave. They say it's good luck if a bird messes on you. If you wash your face with rice water, that's the water that rice has been washed in before cooking, you'll be able to see duppies. I have tried this and it doesn't work for me, but I also heard that it's good for acne. If something has been stolen and the thief is known to be in the room, a key may be placed in an open Bible. The names of the people in the room are called one at a time. When the name of the thief is called, the key is supposed to spin. Many consider this to be a dangerous practice as the key may open up doors for evil spirits to gain access to our world.
Money. Ready? By St. Peter, by St. Paul, and then he shall take the money.
By St. Peter, by St. Paul is not, then he shall take the money.
By St. Peter, by St. Paul, and Artie take the money.
By St. Peter, by St.
Yo, what's your crowd? 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 What's your crowd?
If you want to get rid of a crick or stiff neck, you get a left-handed person to turn it for you. Now guys, I wouldn't recommend you trying this because you might miss and chop off the youth head, you see it. To cure a child of asthma, measure him or her against a papaya tree and chop the tree just above his head. One chop and chop off the top of the tree. I don't know, but ladies, they say you should not place your handbags on the floor as this will make you poor. Okay? Thank you for joining me again guys. I really do hope this video was fun. Please do remember to subscribe to Elite Jamaica by clicking the red subscribe button and turn on notifications by clicking the blue bell icon so that you never miss any of my updates. I am Alex. Thanks again. Bless.
Young fella, remember I tell you say how to look upon the world different when you playing cash pot? Look upon the people upon the beach. What you see?
The girls them, sir.
Look closer.
At the girls them?
At everything. Remember, everything means a number and the numbers all around you.
I see, like what's the junker pops? And the white man and white woman. And the horse on the beach. And the bad girl. And the strong man.
Right.